All right, so anyway, we just got this camera, the Ordro M3 pocket camera, right? And today I'm going to show you guys how to insert this micro SD card in your camera. First of all, I got to tell you, it comes with this micro SD card. And this, I'm going to show you here in just a second. This is, check this out. This is an extremely good card. As a matter of fact, it even says it on there. SanDisk Extreme, 64 gigabytes. So this is this probably cost you about 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll have to check. All right, anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the left side. When you have this logo in front, go to the left side. All right, and then there's this little rubber thing that covers this port, and you're just going to open it up like that. And then you're going to see the SD card port right there. So when you put this in, what you want is the logo this way and the logo on your card this way. The gold facing back. And what you're going to do is slide it in like that, right? And then you're just going to give it a little squish. You can see it's got a spring. Bam, now it's in. If you want to get it out, you just do the same thing in reverse. Push on it and it pops right out, right? See that? Put it in like that. And push, bam, done. You also, if you've got one of these cables, you could use this to pull the data off the card instead of taking it out. But I usually take the card out. Then I just close that port and we're ready to go. And that's basically how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.